that fucking spider out. Get off work. Oh man, that's so much. Just made a big old. I mean, didn't he see me park here last night? That thing, watch that thing move. Yeah, I was like, oh shit, there's like eggs and stuff, everything else. That damn spider. Well, I'll see if you can make it on the way home. That thing, look at it. Ooh, ooh. It's getting in my mirror there. That is spooky. I'm sure you leave my keys out there. Oh, he's just sitting there. I mean, all the places he can build a nest. I mean, build a thing, he's gonna build it right there. Let's see that on. Put my mirror. Oh shit, he can crawl up in there and jump out at me. Damn, look at him. Still there. Just gonna hold on. Pee in my pocket. Not to hit nobody coming out here. Oh, he's going down a little bit. All right, let's gun it. Whoa! Wow! Oh, he's still hanging on. I see my mirror. He's back by my fuel tank. God, he's still on there. I think I lost him. I ain't about 65 when I got him. Woo, Lord, that's scary. Them spiders. I don't like them. All right, be good, guys. Knuckle bump, beware spiders.